Friends and dear students, today I will discuss the problem in jelly making. What is jelly? A jelly is a semi-solid product prepared by boiling a clear, strained solution of pectin contained in fruit extract, which is free from pulp. After addition of sugar and acid, a perfect jelly should be transparent, well set, but not too stiff, and should have the original flavor of the fruits. It should be of attractive color and keep its shape when removed from the mold. It should be firm enough to retain a sharp edge but tender enough to quicker when pressed. It should not be gummy, sticky, or syrupy or have crystallized sugar. The product should free from the dullness with little or no synergies. Synergies means the whipping jelly. The fluid is extruded from the gel and neither nor tough or nor rubbery. Then problems in jelly making. There are four general problems occur in the jelly making. First, your failure to set. Then second is your cloudy or foggy jelly. Then crystallized sugar found in the jelly, and then fermentation of jelly. The first is your failure to set the jelly. This is may be the due to following reason. First is addition of too much sugar. If sugar is added more quantity in the jelly or fruit extract, it results in a syrupy or highly soft jelly, which can be corrected by addition of sufficient quantity of fresh strained extract rich in pectin. Second is lack of acid and pectin. Lack of acid or pectin or the both in the fruit use or insufficient cooking of the fruit slices resulting in the inadequate extraction of the pectin and acid. Then cooking beyond the end point. If the cooking is stopped before the percentage of total soluble solid reaches 65%, the jelly may remain syrupy and highly soft. Then cooking beyond the end point, jelly becomes tough due to over concentration. This usually happens when the juice is rich in both acid and pectin and enough sugar has not been added. If acid is in excess, the pectin break down resulting in formation of ropey syrup or a jelly with waxy consistency. Then prolonged cooking. In the presence of acid, the coagulating property of pectin is destroyed if it is heated for long time. Hence, prolonged heating should be avoided. Then cloudy or foggy jelly. It is obtained due to following reason. First is your use of non-clarified juice or extract. When fruit extract is heated and it is put in the jelly bag and jelly bag is pressed for the passing the fruit extract, then sometimes juice is not clarified, so the foggy jelly is resulted. Then second, the use of immature fruits. As you know, the green and immature fruits contain the starch which is insoluble in the juice and therefore gives the cloudy appearance. Then overcooking. Such jelly are gummy or sticky on account of their high viscosity and do not become clear after pouring into containers. Then overcooking. If the jelly is cooked too much, becomes viscous and sometimes lumpy and is almost always be cloudy. Then non-removal of the scum. While heating the fruit juice with acid and sugar, the scum is formed on the top of the jelly and that scum is not removed before before pouring the jelly, then product or jelly become cloudy. The jelly becomes cloudy when the scum is not removed before the pouring. Then faulty pouring. When jelly is poured into container from a great height, some air gets trapped in the form of bubbles and makes the jelly opaque. Hence, the pouring vessel should not be held more than about 2.5 centimeter away from the top of the container. Then premature gelation. Excess of pectin in the extract causes premature gelation, with the result that air may get trapped in the jelly and thus make it opaque. It can be avoided by first heating the solution to the boiling point and immediately pouring it into containers so as to reduce the time of the contact between the pectin, acid and boiling sugar. Then using low concentration of sugar, then using a slow setting pectin, then not using acid during cooking and instead putting a concentrated solution of acid in the container prior to pouring the cooked juice. Then formation of crystals. It is due to the addition of excess sugar and also to over concentration of jelly. Sometimes the sugar is added too much in the fruit juice, or we have heated for longer time, then concentration of jelly is more and excess sugar is also found, so the crystallization of the sugar is found in the jelly. Synergies or whipping jelly. The phenomena of spontaneous exudation of the fluid from a gel is called synergies or whipping and is called by several factors. First, excess of acid. It causes breakdown of the jelly structure by hydrolysis or decomposition of the pectin. It occurs more in tender jellies and can be prevented by mixing either some quantity of juice low in acid or more of pectin so that a larger quantity of sugar can be added, which help in reducing the acidity and increasing the volume of jelly. Then second, too low concentration of sugar. This causes the network of the pectin to hold more liquid than it possibly can do under normal conditions. Then insufficient pectin. The results in the formation of pectin network which is not sufficiently dense and rigid to hold the sugar syrup. Then premature gelation. This causes breakdown of the pectin network during the pouring of jelly into containers and thus the jelly becomes weak and remains broken. Then fermentation. Though a high percent of sugar, that is 65%, prevents the ordinary fermentation. Any product which have the 65% of sugar that is not fermented, or the food is, or that product will save from the fermentation, it can be take place in jelly if synergies occurs. Storage of jelly in the damp place, even if covered with a seal of paraffin wax, favor the growth of the molds. The growth may be due to the several reasons. First, not covering the jelly properly. Second, not pouring sufficiently hot paraffin wax so as to kill the molds and bacteria present on the surface of jelly. Third, breaking of paraffin wax seal. Hermetically sealable glass jar and cans are used to avoid this problem. So this is all about the problems in jelly making.